One of the areas of concern of the Equal Opportunities Commission is racial integration in schools. We aim to support schools to facilitate mutual respect and appreciation among students of different races by enhancing their understanding of different cultures. This All Races as One learning kit on eliminating racial discrimination is designed to support teachers in developing students' understanding of racial inclusion and preventing racial discrimination. The aim is to help students learn to respect and embrace cultural differences between ethnic Chinese and non-Chinese people, gain awareness of the negative impact of racial discrimination, and understand the Race Discrimination Ordinance. There are 4 sessions in the learning kit. Each session has a key message and 3 learning objectives. The first session aims to enable students to understand the demographic trend and contributions of the non-Chinese population through the introductory activity and an online game. By watching the tutorial video, students would be able to understand the barriers and direct racial discrimination faced by non-Chinese people in tenancy and accessing services. The second section aims to let students understand the barriers in employment and racial stereotypes faced by non-Chinese population through playing an online game and the introductory activity. They will also learn about the common barriers and indirect racial discrimination faced by non-Chinese people in applying for admission to schools through watching the tutorial video. In Session 3, we aim to help students understand the presence of similar beliefs in different religions to learn the importance of eliminating underlying prejudice and misunderstanding about the non-Chinese population. The tutorial video about the story of a non-Chinese student will teach them about racial harassment. In Session 4, we will talk about the contributing factors in the development of Hong Kong into a multicultural metropolis and how non-Chinese people are depicted by the media. Students will learn about racial stereotypes and racial vilification through the tutorial video. And this is our suggested teaching program. Each session includes introductory activity, recap on the previous section, online game, tutorial video, group discussion, and so much more. It would take around 60 minutes to conduct a session. However, teachers may choose to use either one of the sessions or activities individually. All the teaching materials can be found in our website. Click on Racial Equality and Integration, scroll down, and you will see All Races as One Learning Kit on Eliminating Racial Discrimination. You can download the teaching guide, presentation slides, tutorial videos, and worksheets here. As mentioned earlier, there are 4 scenario-based tutorial videos presenting examples of the unfair treatment non-Chinese people in Hong Kong face in everyday lives. There are 4 debriefing videos on explanation of the Race Discrimination Ordinance as well. These videos are in Cantonese, supplemented with English subtitles. And this is the teaching guide. It shows the teaching suggestions for each session. It also includes advice such as, before teachers play the tutorial video, what areas should the students pay attention to, as well as the suggested answers for group discussion. And each session is provided with a set of presentation slides, which covers the key messages and basic information about the non-Chinese population in Hong Kong. Teachers can follow the suggested lesson schedule or rearrange the order as necessary. As what we've covered earlier, teachers may download the worksheets from the EOC website. The discussion worksheets aim to guide students to analyze the cases shown in the videos and establish their own viewpoints. The extended learning worksheets can be a great tool for in-depth teaching in extended lessons. We hope you can make use of this learning kit to develop students' understanding of racial inclusion and to prevent racial discrimination in schools.